I love how these chairs are stackable, which makes them so easy to store when you're not using them. They're clear acrylic, so they don't visually clutter the space and work really well if you like a clean and modern look. The design is sleek and modern, and because they're transparent, they blend in effortlessly with different decor styles. They work well in dining spaces, offices, or anywhere you want seating without making the room feel heavy. So these chairs are surprisingly sturdy. They're made from durable acrylic, come fully assembled, and feel solid enough for everyday use. The non-marking food caps are a nice touch and help protect your floors. I also like how versatile they are. You can use them at a dining table, a desk, a vanity, or even outdoors for a patio or backyard setup. They're easy to wipe clean and practical for gatherings or everyday use.